It develops managerial capabilities. The most significant aspect of entrepreneurship lies in the fact that it helps in identifying and developing managerial capabilities of entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur studies a problem, identifies its alternatives, compare the alternatives in terms of cost and benefit implications, and finally choose the best alternative. The exercise helps in sharpening the decision-making skills of entrepreneur. These managerial capabilities are used by entrepreneurs in creating new technologies and products in place of older technologies and products. It creates organizations. Entrepreneurship helps in creation of organization. It guides the entrepreneurs to assemble and coordinate physical, human and non-human resources and direct them towards achievement of enterprise objectives, specialized managerial skills. It helps to start right type of organization with right people at right time to derive the entrepreneurial activities. It improves standard of living. Entrepreneurship creates products and services which are very much needed by the society. With the setting up of productive organization, entrepreneurship helps in making a wide variety of goods and services available to the society, which results in higher standard of living of the people. The dependence on input from other countries can be avoided and scarcity of goods is removed. This helps the economy to improve the purchasing power of consumers and availability of all types of goods to consumers leads to high standard of living. It leads to economic development. Entrepreneurship involves creation and use of innovation ideas, maximization of output from given resources, development of managerial skills, etc. And all these factors are very essential for the economic development of a country. It is the reason as to why many countries all over the world are concentrating on entrepreneurial development programs. These programs enable the entrepreneurs to develop their managerial skills, leadership skills, communicative skills, creative and innovation skills. It generates employment. Entrepreneurship helps in generating employment directly and indirectly. It helps entrepreneurs to become self-employed and self-sufficient and gives a honorable life to them. They do not depend on the government jobs or private jobs and directly employ themselves by starting their own enterprises. Indirectly, they are provide jobs to many unemployed. Thus, entrepreneurship plays an important role to reduce the unemployment problem of the country and paves the way for development of the company. It leads to balanced regional development. The entrepreneurship traits of entrepreneurs helps in removing regional disparities by setting up industries in backward areas. It is because the government is extending various concessions and subsidies to the entrepreneurs who take initiative to set up industries in the undeveloped regions. It improves per capita income. Entrepreneurship enables the entrepreneurs to develop the skills of locating and identifying the opportunities to establish their own enterprises. They possess the capacities to convert the latent and idle resources like land, labor, and capital into goods and services. This will result in increase in the national income and wealth of nation. The increase in the national income is the indication of increase in the net national product and per capita income of the people and nation. It provides backwards and forward linkages. These forward and backward linkages are very much required for long-term vitality of every economy. All these are provided by entrepreneurship traits of entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship encourages the entrepreneurs to initiate change to maximize profits by innovations and setting of enterprise in accordance with the changing technology creates several backward and forward linkages. For example, the establishment of textile unit generates several ancillary units and expands demand for cotton, chemicals, dyes, spinning mills, etc. They are considered as backward linkages. By increasing the supply of textile, the textile unit facilitates the growth of canning, spinning, machine building, and other units, which is considered as forward linkages. It leads to dispersal of economic power. The modern world dominated by economic power. It is the natural outcome of industrial and business activity. Industrial development may lead to concentration of economic power in few hands, which results in the growth of monopolies. But the entrepreneurship traits help the entrepreneurs to establish the enterprises in many parts of the country, which leads to dispersal of economic power into hands of many efficient managers of new enterprises.